By 17, I was lip reading. Didn't know it. And it's just been a long downhill slide. My name is Lee. I've had a ClearCaptions phone for a little over 4 years. I wish I could tell you how I got in touch with ClearCaptions. I don't remember now, but I was aware of advertisements, reading here and there, and of course, being of hearing impaired, I was very interested. The ClearCaptions representative got in touch with me. So when she came out, she showed she was really very knowledgeable about the phones and everything, and gave me good advice on how I should go about using the equipment. In terms of independence, ClearCaptions Phone has given me my independence back. Anytime I can understand what is said on the other side via ClearCaptions, I can communicate. It's nice not to have to depend on someone to do everything for you where there's communication involved.